Hello and welcome back to the Proactive Studio. I'm Tyler Tully, and today we're at the ASX Small and Mid-Cap Conference in Sydney, where I'm joined by Close the Loop Executive Director and CFO, Mark Lichtenstein. So, Mark, you've just presented. What did you talk about?
Well, thank you, Tyler. We spoke about Close the Loop being a global circular economy leader. We spoke about Close the Loop having a brand promise of zero waste to landfill, and really an expert in dealing with global logistics. We are the experts in taking products back, in managing e-waste. We take back consumer electronics, the likes of laptops, PCs, gaming devices, printers, monitors, print consumables. We refurbish them, recycle them, harvest parts, and really, as I said, we are zero waste to landfill. We work with original equipment manufacturers, the manufacturers of these products, the likes of HP, Xerox, Canon, all household names. We work with them as their trusted partner for their reverse logistics to take the products back, refurbish them, and get them back into circulation. And why does this work? Well, essentially, they all have sustainability goals, and Close the Loop is their trusted partner to help them achieve the sustainability goals. But more importantly, it allows these products to get a second life. We're able to refurbish them and sell them as certified refurbished products. And that is a unique service offering. These OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, are great at getting products into the market. HP might sell 100 laptops, but they don't know how to manage the 5 laptops that come back. And how do they refurbish them and get them back into the marketplace? And that's where Close the Loop is the global market leader, with a global footprint, working with global OEMs in this space.
So, what's your investor case? Why should investors be interested in Close the Loop?
Well, everyone's green as long as it doesn't cost them any more. And that is a philosophy that I believe in. But most importantly for investors, we are at the forefront of the sustainability goals, working as the trusted partner with these OEMs. They've all announced that they have sustainability goals, but in order to achieve it, they need partners to achieve it. These businesses are great at sales and marketing, at great at designing products, but they don't actually manufacture anything themselves. So they need the partners like Close the Loop. And Close the Loop, for example, has signed a global contract with HP as its first certified global platinum partner, which has a revenue share model where the more money we make, the more money HP makes, right? We share in the profits, we share in the gross profit. So that is the investor case that says the market is moving to this point. The OEMs want to say, how do we sell a product 2 and 3 times? It happens in the motor vehicle industry. You have used car dealers. We've got the OEMs now who are moving into the space to say a laptop has a life cycle of 6 years. It comes off your desk after 3 years in corporate land. How do I get our hands on that, sell it, and make a profit twice? And in order to do that, they need someone like Close the Loop. And that's the investor rationale for people to make the investment, because this is the forefront of the circular economy and the future direction in which we're going with consumer electronics.
So, what does the next year look like for Close the Loop?
The next year for Close the Loop is a year of investment. It's a year of expansion. We are expanding. We're setting up facilities in Mexicali, in Mexico. We're setting up facilities in the Middle East. And this is to facilitate the growth of the global contracts that we have with the global OEMs. We already have operations in Europe, South Africa, Australia, and North America. And now we're filling that out and expanding on that to be able to provide a global service. Our customers want a global partner, and we are working with them to provide a global service. And that is the key for us. And that's where the growth is coming in the future. We're the trusted partner, and now it's about expanding on the back of what we've done to date.
Mark, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.